It's so popular that it hits. Shit.
Good, you're doing great, girl.
God. I can't do it. I can't do it.
You're doing great.
Hi, Trina Reese here. I'm at Walgreens in Key West, Florida. We thought this little video would speak volumes for what our products can do for your business. Take, for example, this bottle opener lighter. With up to a 6-color imprint, it can deliver. Oh my God. One more time. I've been doing it all day long.
Down. All right, take a breath. Relax. Relax. Let your hands relax. All right, stop it.
Yeah, he's coming. As soon as he gets by, I'm going with it. We like to call it beyond your expectations. Hey, is that Jimmy Buffett I see over there? No, it's Jeff Reese, the CEO of our company. Hey Jeff, how you doing today?
Doing perfect. Another day in paradise, right?
Jeff is here today and he's watching us shoot this video. So Jeff, is there anything that you'd like to add to this?
Yeah, we got one imprinting way that way we imprint lighters. I can demonstrate that right now. If you want flip-flops on your lighters, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Flip-flop on the lighter. You can imprint anything you like. How about that?
That's Jeff, the CEO, the CEO of Key West Lighters. You want to know something else? It's so popular that it hits. Shit.
A block. That area there.
Hi, Trina Reese here. I'm at Walgreens in Key West, Florida. We thought this little video would speak volumes for what our... Hi, Trina Reese here. I'm at Walgreens in Key West, Florida. Quickly and effectively